गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का डीएस क्लासेस में। मेरा नाम है दिव्यांश श्रीवास्तव। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब बटन और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको जरूरी नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें सबसे पहले। तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद आवर अजूर सीरीज। आज के अजूर सीरीज में हम क्या करेंगे? आज के अजूर सीरीज में हम ग्रुप पॉलिसीज बनाना सीखेंगे कि ग्रुप पॉलिसीज कैसे बनाते हैं, ओयू कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे वो ग्रुप पॉलिसी अप्लाई करते हैं। ग्रुप पॉलिसी मीन्स रिस्ट्रिक्शंस। अब लास्ट टाइम हमने क्या किया था, हमारे सर्वर मैनेजर में हमने डोमेन कंट्रोलर प्रमोट कर लिया था। अब डोमेन कंट्रोलर प्रमोट करने के बाद अब हमने क्या किया है, सबसे पहले तो हम जाएंगे टूल्स में। टूल्स में हम एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी यूजर्स एंड कंप्यूटर्स इसको सिलेक्ट करें। जस्ट गो इनटू दैट। सबसे पहले हम एक ओयू क्रिएट करेंगे। तो आपको यहाँ पे अपना डोमेन दिखाई दे रहा है, दिव्यांश.com। ये डोमेन हमने क्रिएट किया था। जिसको पता नहीं है डोमेन कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी को कैसे कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं, आप मेरा एपिसोड 4 देख सकते हैं। वॉच माई एपिसोड 4, ओनली देन यू कैन कम टू एपिसोड 5। ओके, जस्ट राइट क्लिक करो इस पर। राइट क्लिक करके न्यू के अंदर आओ और न्यू से आप जाओ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट में। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट क्या होता है? कंटेनर होता है जो हमारे यूजर्स, हमारी ग्रुप पॉलिसीज सबको कंटेन करके रखता है, जस्ट लाइक अ कंटेनर। हम इसका नाम दे देते हैं, ओके, हम इसका नाम देते हैं DS, दिव्यांश श्रीवास्तव। ठीक है, ओयो हमारा डिजाइन हो गया। इट्स अ ओयो। अब क्या करो, राइट क्लिक करो, ओयो के अंदर हम एक यूजर बनाएंगे, नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स, जैसे हमने यूजर्स क्रिएट करना दिखाया था उसमें वीडियो नंबर सेकंड में। और वीडियो एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी यूजर्स कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं वो लास्ट वीडियो में। और मेन मशीन पर यूजर कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं वो हमारी सेकंड वीडियो में। तो यू कैन वॉच फ्रॉम देयर ओनली। select the user, we just give the name of the user, we give Nora, 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 Nora पसंद है ना सबको? We give Nora. Proceed. Never check this box. User must change password at the next login. If you give the right password also, na, it will doesn't allow you to get continue with that. Okay. So just check the password never expires. Give your password and always remember the password of the user. Let's create it. Before going towards GPO, you have to do perform all these tasks. Only then you can apply the GPO, right? Without a OU, you cannot apply the GPU. Just next, next. Okay, our user is successfully created. Now what? Just close this. Again, tools tab. In the tools here, you can see group policy management, GPM. We say this. Just enter into it. Close once. I already opened it. Okay, we closed it. Let's go to GPM. In the GPM, you can see this type of tab. Okay, when you open first time, you see like this: your forest name, group policy management. Open this domain tab. In the domain tab, there is your domain name. In your domain name, you can see your OU name. We created DS classes. DS classes is different. DS. We created DS. Just open this. We have nothing on this. Okay. Our user is not visible for there. And inside here, group policy objects. Just open this tab and we design our group policy. Just delete that. Okay. We created a new one. We created a new group policy. Group policy name is, okay, restrict. CMD underscore restrict. For your understanding, guys, I am saying this. Okay, CMD restrict. Now it is successfully created. Now right click on it and edit it. Now we apply the policy in that. Okay, just maximize this button and you can see the user configuration and the computer configuration. Now proceed with user configuration, proceed with the administrative templates. In the administrative templates, we found a system folder, right? Enter the system folder. In the system folder, you see multiple things, right? Now, in this multiple policies in the system, we can prevent access to command prompt. Okay, CMD. I don't want my user that he can access the command prompt, because from command prompt he can perform the commands, he can see the IP address, he can see the domain attached. I don't want him to see all these details of my machine. So what should I do? I should block the access for the user. Just select the policy, make it enable, and okay. See, it is enabled. Now we close this. As we now we close this. Now click on the settings, close. Now we can see the policy which we have applied. We have applied the policy prevent access to the command prompt to the users. User configuration enabled. Now where we have to go? We have to link this. Okay. So just right click your domain. See, create a GPU to this domain and link it here. We already created it. GPO stands for Group Policy Object. Okay. Link existing GPU. Yes, we are linking the existing one. Link the existing one which we have created, CFD restrict. Just proceed with that. Okay. It is successfully applied. Okay. It will come here. Now close this, and inside that TSOU we have created one user. What is the username for that? We have created Nora user, right? Now we try to log into that user. Just go to the machine, log into the user. Double click on it, the RDP file, let it be open. I'll show you how to log into another user to the RDP file. I will show you again. Just select more choices, different account, write your username, at the rate your domain name, your user password, enter it, wait for some time. If you give everything well, it will look like this. Okay. We are successfully able to log into the machine to Nora. We are logging to Nora. Now we just validate our restriction is successfully applied or not. We try to open a CMD. First time if you are opening any machine, it takes some time, around 1 or 2 minutes. So there is nothing to get panic, or there is no nothing any restriction out there. Okay, wait for some time. See, it opens. Just close these. Now we will try to open the CMD. CMD. See, it displays the command prompt has been disabled by your administrator. That means our policy is successfully applied. Correct? You want to see the detail of that rsop.msc can also proceed with that. That is a resultant set of policies. You can proceed with that, refine it. There's a window open and you can see the details. Okay, there's only one restriction: prevent access to command prompt. That is our policy name, which we have provided, right? We are in a user account, so we cannot disable it or enable it. That is the administrative. Only administration can do that. Only he can do that. Okay. Explanation is there. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any doubt, anything related to, and never save anything. If you changed anything, never save this, and don't try to change anything. If you are do everything successfully, you will get this output. If you try to open from the run command or from the start button also. From the start button, we can also open command prompt, right? We can open the command prompt and see the result. See that the command prompt has been disabled by the administrator. That is the thing. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We are hope you find in the next video. Thank you everyone, and make sure you should stop your virtual machines to get safe from the bailing and to save your credits as well.